if you're not a seasoned chef or cook, by the time you watch all my videos, you're gonna be a good cook in your own kitchen. So without further ado, let's go and see what we got on the table for today. On today's menu, we have jerk chicken, and from the previous videos, we just season the chicken. We wash the chicken thoroughly, season it, and put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the fridge overnight to marinate. So now this is where we are the following day. There's a chicken, marinated chicken. Okay, chicken is well marinated. And it smells good already. I can smell it's got a nice aroma. So we're gonna get it ready, and go outside and clean our grill and then start grilling. Hello friends, this is Chef Joseph. Welcome to boss.kitchen.com. Today we're gonna clean our grill because today is the day we'll be grilling some jerk chickens. So, as you can see on the grates, we got some residues from last time that we used it. So we're gonna clean it. There are some unpopular. I believe that when you leave these on the grates and you cook, it gives you a better flavor, which is contrary to that. It's very dangerous and untruth. According to medical scientists, the reason why we contract a lot of disease and cancer is from these leftovers on the grill. Once it's subject to heat, it develops into a different chemical reaction, and when you ingest it, you get this development in your body that develop into cancer. This is carcinogens. So, and it'll put some dark residues on your chicken or meat, whatever, and when you ingest it, it becomes a dangerous chemical reaction in your body. So now we're gonna spray this to help us clean our grill. You need to spray it liberally. Now, after we spray the cleaning agent, the degreaser, on the grates, we're going to allow it to sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we'll come and clean it out. So we'll see you on the other side. Tell mommy sit now. Okay, now we are back. We have cleaned our grates. As you can see, the grates are looking good, all cleaned up. Now we also started our charcoal. The charcoal is all gray. The fire's burned down. So this is the right look that you want if you want to grill. Otherwise you burn your food. Before we start, we're gonna put some thyme spray or olive oil to make the grates easy to flip our meat. So here we go. We'll put a little bit on there. Be careful because it can spark fire. And then wipe it. At this stage, we have some wood chips over here. This is mesquite wood chips. They give flavor to the food item that we'll be cooking. So now it's been soaked and drained. We're going to put it on top of the fire. They are very small, so they can go in. Now if you have big chunks, you have to leave the grates and put them in. Like this, put it in. And sometimes we add allspice berries. Since we don't have the allspice tree chunks, we just use the berries sometimes to flavor, to make the jerk flavor. Okay, so now we're gonna wipe this clean and wipe our grates as well, because we got some smoke, we got some debris on it. Okay, so here we go. Put the chicken on it. We arrange the chicken on it. Make sure that the skin is taut. Pull the skin taut. Yep. Start smoking a little bit and oozing with flavor. The flavor is awesome. Awesome flavor. Always make sure you pull the skin out. All right, got 2 more to go. Okay, so now that we got it all on, we're gonna close the lid, and allow it to cook. It's on low right now. Okay, we are cooking the chicken at 325 degrees, as you can see from the thermometer. Oh, looking nice, looking real good. So at this point, we're gonna flip them. Looking real good. And the smell, the aroma here is so great. It's smelling so good. Okay. Alright, so we'll close it and let it go for a few minutes, and then we'll check it. We'll check it back in about 10 minutes. Okay, let's check where we are now. Oh, looking good. The smell. So we're gonna flip back one more time. It's cooking real good. It is looking good. Smelling good. Wow, I can smell the jerk seasoning. Man, what an aroma. It'd be nice if you are here to share this with us. It is deliciously smelling. Okay, let me check for doneness. Let me check it for doneness. Looking good, smelling good. Always put your thermometer in the thickest part of the chicken or meat and avoid the bone. Yeah, the normal temperature that we were looking for is 165, but it's at 169, so it's done. We're good. Okay, we'll remove it off the fire. It's done enough. Look at the color. Beautiful. It's not burned. It's ready to go. Wow. This is amazing. That's how you want your chicken to be. Jerk chicken. Jerk chicken. Hello friends, welcome back. Now you join us to labor through all this prep and cooking. The chicken is ready now. So let's try it and see what we got. It looking good, smelling good. Look at that. Look at how juicy. Juicy. Wow. The flavor is amazing. It is unbelievable. So juicy and moist. You can serve this with any food, any starch of your choice. Rice, baked potatoes, mashed potatoes, whatever your choice is. It is good. It is real good. So make sure you prepare some and let me know how it came out. I will guide you through anything. I'll answer all your questions. So thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, give me a thumbs up, share, and hit the notification button so you don't miss out the upcoming series. Thank you. Bon appetit!